What's up, family? Tony's back with another video, and I hope everybody's doing good, man, and staying safe out there, man. The streets are getting hotter by the day. You can see, man, we got a plate carrier, and we got a recon chest rig, and we got some small armor plates. See, I see they are small, but the reason I got them that small is because I want to test them out before I throw them in the plate carrier. You know, I want to make sure they stop a bullet. You know, your regular, what, 9 mil or 45. You know, but I'm gonna shoot it with a 223, 45, 10 mil, and a 40, and a 9. See what they do to them. And I'm gonna try that 5.7. Alright, so this recon chest rig, you know, it'll hold 6 30-round mags, you know, maybe typical AR-15, and then 6 pistol mags. So here on this side, I throw in the 40-round mags for my AR. Another one over here. Let's see. Over here, man, I got my Glock mag. Yeah, it's this pocket. It actually has 2. Yeah, man. So y'all stay tuned, man. Make sure y'all subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Make sure you hit that bell button for the upcoming video, man. All right.